Bore da Blantos, good morning. It's Wednesday today, and today in Clwb, Cozy Club, I'm going to read you a story. So I've decided to come to my happy place at the bottom of my garden to read you my favourite story and my daughter's favourite story, which is called Lliwiau'r Gath, and it's all about the cat's colours. Gath ydw i. Pa un ydy fy hoff liw? Which one is my favourite colour? Coch, glas, melyn, porffor, oren, gwyn, brown, gwyrdd, pink, du. Which one could it be? Ai gwyrdd tybed. Could it be green? Gwyrdd ydy lliw'r glaswellt rwy'n hoffi cerdded arno. The cat loves to walk on the green grass. Ai pink tybed. Could it be pink? Pink ydy lliw petalau fy hoff flodau. The cat loves the pink flowers and the petals on them. Ai du tybed. Could it be black? Du ydy lliw'r nos pan fydd y sglymod yn gwibio o gwmpas. The cat looks at the bats flying about in the black night. Ai coch tybed. Could it be red? Coch ydy lliw'r mat rydw i'n cysgu arno o flaen y tân. The cat loves to sleep on the red mat in front of the fire. Ai melyn tybed. Could it be yellow? Melyn ydy lliw'r tywod ar y traeth heulog. Yellow is the colour of the sand on the beach when it's sunny. Ai porffor tybed. Could it be purple? Porffor ydy lliw'r glân rydw i'n ei dynnu gyda fy mhawen. Purple is the colour of the wool that the cat makes a mess with. Ai brown tybed. Could it be brown? Brown ydy lliw'r pridd lle rydw i'n gwneud tyllau. Brown is the colour of the soil where the cat digs holes. Ai glas tybed. Could it be blue just like mine? Glas ydy'r lliw'r awyr pan rydw i'n rhedeg ar ôl yr adar. Blue is the colour of the sky that the birds fly high above. Ai gwyn tybed. Could it be white? Gwyn ydy lliw'r cymylau yn yr awyr. White is the colour of the clouds in the sky. Ai oren tybed. Could it be orange? Yeah! Achos, do you know why? Oren ydy lliw mam. Hwyl fawr.